This car is a BMW F30 2016 model. The problem with this car is that the car's engine creaks but does not start. What is the reason for the car's engine not starting is shown in this video today. See how the engine cranks but doesn't start. How to solve the problem of no starting. Watch the complete video step by step. Inshallah, you will be able to repair it. I removed the engine top cover. I will try to start the engine again. What is the reason why this car engine is not starting? Number 1, check the battery charge voltage is okay. Number 2, check to see if the fuel pump is working or not. To check the fuel pump, you will need to remove the rear seat. After opening the rear seat, you need to remove this black cover and take it out. Now I will remove the fuel pipe from the car's fuel pump and crank the engine to see if fuel is being delivered or not. Now I'll crank the car's engine and check to see if fuel is coming out of the fuel pump. The problem with this car is that the engine won't start because the fuel pump is not working. I'll check to see if the problem is the fuel pump or the wiring connection. First I will check the fuel pump wiring. I turned the ignition switch to the on position to check the fuel pump wiring. I will check with an LED test pen. Look at the brown color wire connection, there is no positive supply voltage line. Now I will crank it and see if there is a positive supply voltage line or not. Now I will check the connection of the green color wire. There is no positive supply voltage line between the green colored wires. There is no positive supply voltage line between the blue colored wires. Now I will look at the car's fuel pump wiring diagram. Rear fuse holder, rear compartment fuse 20. From this fuse, through the red and green color wire, the positive supply voltage enters the fuel pump controller module. Brown ground signal entering the fuel L pump controller. 5-wire connection is a computer data line system. 2 wires connection, 1 positive supply volt and 1 wire ground signal out from fuel pump controller. Fuel pump has entered. BMW F30 car fuse and fuse box diagram. All these fuses are fuel pump system. Now I will check all the fuses in the fuse box on the right side of the rear compartment of the car. Check fuse LED test light supply voltage 11.6 line is okay. I have checked all the fuses and there is no problem with the fuses. Remove this cover under the rear compartment. Because there is a fuse box under this cover. I have checked all the fuses. There is no problem with the fuses. Fuse box number 3 is located on the left side of the engine compartment. You must check all the fuses. I have checked all the fuses and there is no problem with the fuses of this car. Now I will find the fuel pump controller. The fuel pump controller is located under the seat on the rear right side. Look, this is the fuel pump controller. First, I will test to see if it is a problem with the fuel pump controller or a wiring problem. These 3 wires enter the fuel pump from the fuel pump controller, brown, green, and blue wires. The positive supply voltage line enters the fuel pump controller through the red-green wires from the fuse. I took the fuel pump controller apart to check the wiring connections. Now I will check to see if the positive supply voltage line from the fuse to the fuel pump controller wire socket is there. Now I connected a digital LED test light to the red and green wires to check. There is a positive supply voltage line of 11.4 volt on the red-green wire from the fuse to the fuel pump controller socket. The positive signal entering the fuel pump controller is okay. I connected one side of the digital test pen to the positive signal and the other side to the ground signal wire. The green light on the test pen is on. The negative signal entering the fuel pump controller is okay. There is no problem with the positive and negative signals entering the fuel pump controller. I would use a multimeter to check if there is any problem with the wiring connection coming out of the fuel pump controller and going into the fuel pump. To check if there is any problem with the wire, I set the multimeter to the ohm position and the beeping sound. There is no problem with the brown wire from the fuel pump controller to the fuel pump. The multimeter is making a beeping sound. Number 2, there is no problem with the green color wire from the fuel pump controller to the fuel pump. The multimeter is making a beeping sound. Number 3, there is no problem with the blue color wire from the fuel pump controller to the fuel pump. The multimeter is making a beeping sound. There is no problem with the wiring of that car. So I will change the fuel pump controller. Here are two fuel pump control units, one new and the other old, from this car. Fuel pump controller unit part number 161427404880. Look, the part numbers of the two are the same. Now I will install this new fuel pump controller. I connected the new fuel pump control unit to the wiring socket. Now I have installed the fuel outline pipe and wire socket from the fuel pump. I have installed the fuel pump control unit, fuel pump cable socket, and fuel pipe. Now I will test to see if the car engine starts or not. Inshallah, the car engine has started and there is no more problem. The reason why the car engine does not start is the problem with the fuel pump control unit. The control unit is not working, so the car engine cranks but does not start. If you have any problems understanding anything after watching the video, please comment. May you all be well, everyone pray for me.